Hoo-hoo, I opened up the studio. It says there's new updates to install. And I ain't even turned on the lights yet to record. Be right back. Alright, now that I have the lights on, let's take a look to see what these new features are. Open up that, go into settings, do some updates. Ooh, a cumulative update, we're going to go up to 0.65, which I've been using 0.51, so let's see what it is. So let's get it installed. Now remember, this is still in development mode. This has not been beta released or alpha released or public released. So if it blows up the studio, hey, it is what it is. Ah, yes, the long black screen. I'm glad they still haven't got. I'm glad that's still around. This is the most infuriating part of any update, is when Windows does the long black screen. To me, I'm sort of familiar with it, so when I see it, I know not to do anything. But when people see the long black screen, they'll wait and wait and wait. And sometimes you don't have a choice but to restart the computer or turn it off, turn it back on. But you have to wait because it could actually be doing something in the background. So yeah, and if you turn it off too soon, bad things can really happen. So once again, long black screen. If you get this even on Windows 10, let it set up to an hour, because like I said, if you interrupt this, you can really screw up your computer. So so the long black screen finished. It's going to do another restart, I see. Okay. That's kind of a good. There's the standard Windows 11 logo. There's the spinnies that we're all familiar with. I have a single dot. The spinnies stuck. That might be a bad sign. We shall see. I don't want to say patience is a virtue. But it's one of those things you gotta kind of like wait through it until it actually kills all the processes in the background, like I said, because if you interrupt the process too soon, it can do more harm than good. So, and again, just a reminder, I'm putting this out there. Oh, there we go, see? Had I interrupted it, bad things could have happened. Ooh, new fonts. Nice. But yeah, just a reminder, I'm telling everyone out there too, I've got a couple of people who are going to take me up on this offer. If your hard drive in your desktop or your laptop is 4 years or older, and with this pending update coming through that we're all going to get a Windows 11 update, if it's anything like Windows 10, Windows 10 was blowing out hard drives about 4, 6, 8 months after the update was installed. So you might, if you know how to do it, great. Get those hard drives cloned to new hard drives while you can. If you don't know how to do it, give us a call. Most of the time, like I said, it's just an overnight process. We will give you back your original hard drive and we'll tell you to store it away in the event that the new hard drive fails on a Windows 11 update later on. At least I've got your original hard drive to work with. You might lose some data, sorry, but this way you're not completely dead in the water. So, ta-da, here we go. I don't know what new updates we got, but let's take a look. Ooh, that loaded up pretty snazzy. And let's see. Ooh, they've changed this around. Interesting. Yeah, display. This all looks different. Let's see. Oh, updates is now on the bottom. Okay. Yeah, so yeah, it's no longer kind of like blocky squared like on Windows 10. It's now all on this side. Interesting. So there's your pause updates. Nice. Windows update history. Let's see. What do we get? Just an accumulative update to that. 40 update. Yeah, this is nice. Uninstall updates, recovery options. Nice, nice. Bring this back over here. Let's see. These are the advanced options. Received updates on other product. Give me, keep me up to date. Or get me. Yeah, okay. Download over a metered connection. Now this is important. If you're using your cell phone for your internet connection or Jetpack, and you have a data cap, you can actually turn this on and it will actually delay your updates, so that it doesn't push you over your data cap. The best way to know that then is if you need to have a critical update go through. If it's an absolute critical update, like a security update, or a critical security update like this new Print Nightmare security patch that's going through and stuff like that, Microsoft's going to push those through regardless. But if it's just regular other updates, yeah, you could trigger that and it'll turn off your connection. But the thing is when you do that, it's going to screw up some other things too. So just so you're aware of that. Active hours is there, optional updates. We don't have any optional updates yet. This is nice. I like this layout. Much easier to read. Configure update policies. Ooh, this is new. Must be available for Windows Pro and above, probably. Update policies. Nice. So privacy and security. Ooh, they laid this out the same way. Text size. This is nice. Like I said, I like that. Text size is really good for those people who are visually impaired. So that helps. Visual effects. This is probably for more like the themes and so on and so forth. Transparency effect, that's probably your glass. If you're looking at glass, that's nice. Magnifier, text cursor, audio notifications, capture style. Again, nice, nice. Time and language. This shouldn't affect anyone except for a new install, or if you buy a brand new Windows 11 computer, your date and time might be off. It's probably because it's a time zone, so that's where that would be at. Accounts. Remember, I'm still using a local account because Windows 11 allows it, but Microsoft was saying that they were going to force you all into Microsoft accounts, so we'll see how this works as the time goes on. Apps. App features, defaults. I assume your defaults are, yes, I like it. Like it. Much, much better. Ironic to see Internet Explorer still in there even though it's retired and it's supposed to be removed. Personalizing. This is your backgrounds. Ooh, there's your dark themes and some of the other themes. There's your colors. If you like the plain background. There's your themes if you want to change the entire system all in one shot. Just out of curiosity. Ooh, pretty. This is the Windows Standard. Didn't load up. Oh, there it goes. There's the dark theme. You know, it's going to be kind of funny with this new version that's coming out with Windows 11, and of course the really big push unintentionally for dark. This is the dark theme. It's actually quite pretty, and it's easier on the eyes, I think, than the bright themes. But that's just, again, a matter of preference. I'll have to change out the studio here and see if we can do that now. Ooh, they've changed all this too. So we'll go back and personalize, and I'm going to change my background and put it back to this. Nice, nice, nice. I like it. Network and internet, Ethernet connections. Let's take a look. Private, correct. You know, I really do hate this, but that's okay. So, ooh, you can do it from here a lot easier. That's good. That'll help techie people out like me. Bluetooth and devices. Of course, the studio doesn't have a Bluetooth adapter. I mean, I've got adapter in the host, but not on the studio part. Add a device. And then system. This is kind of nice. I like it. So Remember, I've got the dark theme still set in the background. So yeah, I like the layout. Let's see if they changed anything in the folders. Pretty much the same thing as before. The color coding stuff is going to be nice. I really like that. That's a nice touch. So that's a nice little update. Just more cosmetic stuff. I didn't see anything that's real changes other than virus updates and so on and so forth, but it's nice to see that the updates are coming through and there are making changes to it, and yeah, looks real nice. So there's my video for today. I'll get this uploaded into YouTube this weekend, which is July 10th, July 11th. No on-site service calls except for an emergency. If there's an emergency, I'll find transportation. June's got to go down south for the weekend, so I won't have, the store will be open, but I can't do on-site service calls, and Dropbox locations I can't pick them up or drop them off. So it is what it is. But you can still come to the store. I can still do remote assist with you. There's the number. Give us a call, schedule a time. We'll get you taken care of. If you live anywhere or work anywhere in this area, we can take care of you. So you can always find us on Facebook. That's our MeWe. Like, share, and subscribe. Got to get those numbers up. You guys have a great day. I will talk to you later.